In the previous topic, you learned how to use an if-else statement in your program. Again, gumagamit ka lang nito kapag may test ka. For example, if password is correct, then log in successful. Else, try again. Which means if conditions derive to either true or false. If true, ang code sa if block ang gagana. If false, ang code sa else block naman. Sa previous topic, we use equals ignore case method under the string class. This is used to compare string and ignoring the case format. There are a lot more methods you can use under the string class. We will have example of those in the future videos. Now, how will you compare numbers? Now we have this list of comparison operators like greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. All these operators evaluate to either true or false, like 5 is greater than 10, answer is false, or 5 is equal to 5, answer is true. To illustrate this, let's create a simple program on identifying if the user is allowed to vote or not. Sa Pilipinas, at least 18 years old, pwede na bumoto, diba? So let's create a class first and name it voting program. Once the class is loaded, add public static void main string args. And then let's plan on what to create. So first, ask the user his or her age. Then accept input. Identify if age is greater than or equal to 18. If true, then print out allowed to vote. If false, print out user is not allowed to vote. Since we need an input from user, we have to import an instantiate scanner class. Next is to let the user know what to input. So system.out.println, enter your age. Then declare an int with age as a variable name, which is equal to scanner.nextInt. Since we need int as input, we have to use the nextInt method. Now, time for the if-else statement. In our plan, the condition is age is greater than or equal to 18. So, if age is greater than or equal to 18, open and close curly braces, and then print allowed to vote. Else, open and closing curly braces, print not allowed to vote. That's it. Simple, right? Let's test our program. Enter 18, allowed to vote. Rerun and enter 2, not allowed to vote. So again, in our condition, we use the greater than or equal to sign, which tests if the input is 18 or more. Then user is allowed to vote. That's it for now. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.